Hi, Hunter Breidenbach, aka Environmental Gangster. Today we're going to learn about soil conservation and why it's important. Now, if you look down where I'm standing, you can tell that this is a silty clay loam by the way that it is. That's pretty neat. For the rest of this video, you can stay seated and get educated.
When we're talking about conserving soil, we're looking at the two top layers of soil, the O and A horizons. Starting at the very top, we have horizon O, which contains decaying plant material and animal remains that make up what we walk on, which then flows into horizon A. These are both very important layers that are easily destroyed by natural and human causes. The A horizon contains some organic matter and nutrients needed for healthy soils. Soil conservation is important because life on Earth depends on it. It's a natural resource humans rely on for agriculture, and it's also food for plants and animals. Our biggest enemy is erosion. Erosion transports all of our topsoil from one location to another, so all of that O and A horizon that I just mentioned. Our economic growth as a society has led us to more intense levels of erosion, such as deforestation, logging, mining, construction, and overgrazing. As population grows, so do the cities we live in. Research from a textbook even shows that 43% of Earth's vegetated land has been degraded. In this upcoming experiment, I will demonstrate how erosion impacts the soil by using wood chips and potting soil half and half in this clear storage container, simply demonstrating how natural erosion occurs and what it does to our soil. Now, as I pour water on top of the potting soil, it does not have any defense, so it will give away very easily. The soil erosion is great, and it is not held together. As I pour water on top of the wood chips, this is known as a cover crop. It protects the soil from erosion, and as you can see, it's holding up very well. Here I just wanted to show the potting soil has a lot of suction potential, but without that wood chip, that cover crop, that soil will erode very easily. Now that we understand soil conservation, erosion, and the effects that it has, I can show you positive impacts to make a difference in our society. Farmers can practice crop rotation, cover crops, and windbreaks. These practices help protect the soil from heavy rain, and overall education of soil conservation is the solution.
To combat erosion, you can install windbreaks in front of your fields to stop the wind from picking up the topsoil and moving it down naturally by erosion.
Prairie grass is also a great way of conserving our soil. It has deep roots that bring a lot of nutrients and create healthy soils. So plant some prairie grasses.
Hi, Hunter Breidenbach, aka Environmental Gangster. Today we're going to learn about soil conservation and why it's important. Now, if you look down where I'm standing, you can tell that this is a silty clay loam by the way that it is. Covered in snow, silty clay loam. And another important thing in life, do not procrastinate, because you will be making soil science videos in the freezing cold. For the rest of this video, we're going to sit down, stay seated, and get educated.